In today's video, I'll show you how to use the upcoming view in Todoist to plan ahead and see everything coming your way. The Today view is great for what's due right now, but real planning means looking further out, and that's exactly what upcoming is for. Let's find it in the left sidebar. You'll see upcoming listed right below today. Go ahead and click it. Instead of a single list, upcoming gives you a calendar-style layout, showing your tasks spread across the coming days. At a glance, you can see which days are packed and which ones are wide open, which makes balancing your week so much easier. Scroll through the days and you'll notice each one shows the tasks scheduled for it. This is perfect for spotting busy stretches before they sneak up on you. If one day looks overloaded, you can plan to shift a task to a lighter day instead. Upcoming turns your task list into an actual schedule you can reason about. It's also a great place to catch anything you may have set for a future date and forgotten about. Everything with a due date in the days ahead shows up here automatically, so nothing slips through the cracks. You get a clear, honest picture of your real workload, not just today, but the whole road ahead. The habit worth building is checking upcoming at the start of each week. A quick look lets you rebalance, reschedule, and walk into your week already knowing what's coming. That small ritual is the difference between reacting to your tasks and actually staying ahead of them. Give upcoming a try in your own Todoist and use it to plan with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.